Have you ever wondered what that crack actually is when you pop your knuckles? It's not your bones grinding together, it's a bubble exploding inside your finger. When you pull your finger joints apart, the space inside rapidly expands and the pressure drops. Dissolved gases in the synovial fluid suddenly form a bubble because of the low pressure. When that bubble violently collapses, it creates the sharp pop sound you hear. The same joint can't crack again for about 20 minutes because the gas needs time to dissolve back into the fluid. That satisfying sound is literally a tiny explosion happening inside your hand every single time. Follow for more.